Going to show you a quick video here on how to replace your hood shocks. So we got our old ones on here right now. This is the new one. We want to make sure that when we're installing it, that the new one actually gets installed properly and not upside down like this. So the main shaft of it is going to be facing downwards, just like the other one here. So now we know the orientation that's going to be. Take a small flathead. You could use a pick as well. Sometimes it can be kind of a pain to get in there, but we'll just basically move the clip down and off the bottom of the strut. That one actually fell down into the car. I'm trying to do this while filming. So I pop the bottom off, come up here, and as you can see, just try to pop this top piece out. See if I can get it from here. Okay, now the clip's off, and oops, just pop off the old strut. Again, keeping in mind the orientation. So we will take the new one, and what I'd like to do is get the bottom piece installed first and then install the top. I will also wipe off the mounting spots here for both top and bottom, just give it a clean surface, and then we'll go ahead, make sure that is going to be on there properly. So you don't actually have to mess with the clips on these, just push on and install. Should be easy to get on. So this one, get this bottom piece on first. It's clicked in. And then the top piece. Sometimes you'll have to compress it a little bit by hand. And we will do that. And there you go. And that's the top piece installed. So now we have our new hood shock installed. Just rinse and repeat with the other ones. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.